let's discuss how to create UTM parameters for your LinkedIn ads. Now, UTM parameters are important in order to track the post-click behavior in Google Analytics or in your CRM. So what happens once a person clicks on the ad, how much time he was on the page, whether he bounced from the page or not. So it basically helps you in tracking the post-click behavior. You have to simply type Google URL builder in your search engine and go to this page. That would basically be your first listing that would come. Just enter the website URL here. For example, we have entered our website here. Campaign source, you can keep it as LinkedIn. Campaign medium, you can keep it as SI for single image. If you're running video ads, you can put video ads here. You can put the campaign name here. And since you would be running different ads, so in campaign content, you can put it like this. LI stands for LinkedIn, SI for single image. This is today's date, let's say 9th December 2025. And if you are running multiple ads, then you can add 01 for first ad, 02 for second ad, 03 for third ad, and so on. So this would give you the entire URL with the UTM parameters. So you can copy this URL and paste it in the destination URL of each ad that you are running. So in the first ad that you are running within a particular campaign, you can put it here as I said 01 and copy this from here. In the second ad 02 and copy it from here. So in this way, you can analyze right till the ad level as to which ad is contributing to the performances. Again, you can add dynamic URLs at the account level and at the campaign level as well, but I would highly recommend to add the UTM parameters at the ad level so that you can analyze the behavior of each of the ads. Thanks so much.